हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हैं आप सभी लोग। तो आज हम लोग बनाने वाले हैं एक स्मार्ट डोरबेल। सुनने में तो ये बहुत मुश्किल लगती है, बट ट्रस्ट मी, इट्स वेरी सिंपल एंड वेरी इजी टू मेक। सो लेट्स गो ऑन टू द मटेरियल्स रिक्वायर्ड। बट मुझे शुरू करने से पहले एक बात कहनी है। आप गलत वायरिंग करके अपने कंपोनेंट्स को खराब भी कर सकते हैं, तो वीडियो को ध्यान से और वीडियो के एंड तक बने रहिए। तो सबसे पहले तो हमें कुछ जंपर वायर्स चाहिए होगी, देन एन Arduino Uno केबल एंड ऑब्वियसली Arduino Uno, IR सेंसर एंड बजर। तो अब कनेक्शंस में मूव ऑन करते हैं। So we will only need 3 jumper wires in this project, and we will connect the female pins of the jumper wires to the IR sensor 3 pins. So we will do this quickly, and we will just tighten it a little bit and done. Now here we will see VCC, GND and out pins. So we will connect VCC pin to 5 volt of Arduino Uno, which is around here, if I am right, yes. And now we will connect the GND pin of the IR sensor to GND itself, and it's also done. And lastly we will connect the out pin to D2, digital pin 2 of the Arduino Uno, which is located on the Arduino Uno board, and the connections of the IR sensors are complete. Now we will move on to buzzer. Buzzer's positive terminal, which is the red wire, will be connected to D8, which means digital pin 8, and here it goes into the Arduino board like smoothly like this. And the negative terminal of the buzzer will be connected to the GND of the Arduino board, and done. Oops, the positive terminal has come out. We'll connect it properly, and done. It's done. Now we will go to the most important and the last part, but not the least, the coding. So now we are on to the code on Arduino IDE app. So I've already written the code here. You will find it in the description box. So first of all, we will select the board and the port. So we will search here Arduino IDE. I think oh my bad, it will be Uno. So it's already selected here, and we will select the port. For my laptop it is COM4. For your device or laptop, whatever you're using, it might be different. You can use device manager to check the COM. So now click OK, and now we are ready to upload. We can see here it is first compiling, and then upload will start.